see the smile you used to give to me. I don't see the same look in your eyes. I don't know why it's happening to us. I'm losing you forever so fast. It's hard to keep the pieces of a broken heart. There's no mending, there's no brand new start. Maybe I just have to face the truth. I'm losing you and there's nothing I can do. The song you tried to sing doesn't seem to mean a thing. You want to find and fit the words and the melody together. When you tried so hard to smile and tears are falling down your eyes. You want to shout out to the world and things are getting bad. I'll be here. I know it isn't much. I'll be here to help you make things right. I'll be here when hope is almost over. When things go wrong, 'cause sometimes they do, I'll be here for you. Scared of growing old and you need a hand to hold, I'll give you mine. We can grow all together. When the going is a pain and you start to lose your wind, you're feeling tired and feeling wrong and things are getting bad. I'll be here. You can cry on my shoulder. I'll be here to help you see things through. I'll be here when there's no one else to turn to. When things go wrong, 'cause sometimes they do, I'll be here for you. When you start to lose your patience and you start to feel the emptiness, I am here. I'll be here. Langit ang nadarama, pintig ng puso ay kakaiba. Basta't kasama ka, wala akong mahihiling pa. Sa taglay na katangian at kabaitan mo, nabihag at umibig sa'yo ang puso kong ito. Hanggang langit ang pasasalamat at ika'y aking tinanggap na walang pag-alinlangan. Dahil minahal mo ako, lahat ay gagawin para sa'yo. Huhulihin ko ang buwan, pipigilin ng ulan. Dahil minahal mo ako, isisigaw ko sa buong mundo. ito. Hanggang langit ang pasasalamat, at di kaya aking tinangka na walang pag-alinlangan.